is Travis from Fix&Go. We just got called out for a road call. Customer's complaint is unit is not starting. I've already went out to the road call and inspected the vehicle. Upon inspection, I found the battery voltage in the unit is very low. They load tested at 8 volts. And hooking up the laptop to it was also showing us the low voltage codes. The company approved us to put batteries in it, so I'm back at the shop now grabbing them. We're about to run back over, pop these new batteries in it, and continue troubleshooting the unit. After they're in, we'll continue with our updates. So the first thing we got to do is take off the battery hold down, which is up top here. Once we get this hold down out of the way, all we'll have to do is unhook all your terminals. Make sure you don't cross your black and red, and then we'll get to swapping these batteries out. Okay. So we just got done installing the new batteries. Everything's tight, back together. We're going to flip the switch and see what kind of voltage we have now. So I'm going to go ahead and check that. So now the truck is at 12.6 volts, which is good enough to start. So we're going to go ahead and attempt to start it. Awesome. So in this case, it looks like the batteries were the culprit for them not starting. But this customer also has a misfire code on cylinder number 5. So we're going to hook back up to it and inspect that real quick. Got rid of everything besides your misfire on number 5. And this here high absorption rate is that DPF system. That comes up when it does, like you said last night, where it rained for 3 hours. I can try, I'm going to try a cylinder cutout test real quick, see what I can hear there. It also has a misfire on number 5 cylinder. I would like to attempt the cylinder cutout to see if I can hear any differences between the injectors. And it also has a DPF high absorption rate. The customer said the other night regen for 3 hours. So we'd have to dig into that and address that if the company would like us to. So we're going to update the company now and see what direction they'd like to go.
Yeah.
The batteries got the thing started, but can we update their company and let them know? It still has engine or cylinder 5 misfire code and a DPF high absorption rate.
DPF.
Yep. High
Absorption.
Yeah, absorption, like absorbing rate. And basically what that's saying is it's basically asking us to do a regen and just let them know it is running now. We started multiple times, that's good. It's got them 2 codes and he wants to take it to the shop and try to regen.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. I'll let them know.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, so we just got finished up with this customer. It ended up just being the batteries for this guy and a forced regen. We got the batteries popped in. Unit now starts every time. And we was able to do a manual regen through the truck. After the regen, that got rid of his high absorption rate. And the truck has no codes at the moment, all good to go. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and look forward to the next video.
I got it. Perfect.
Awesome.
Get the fuck
Now,